In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Find My Network on your iPhone 14. This feature helps you locate your iPhone even when it's offline or powered off. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple account at the top of the screen. Next, tap Find My. Then select Find My iPhone. On this page, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. Next, turn on Find My Network. This allows your iPhone to be located through Apple's secure Find My network, even when it's offline. You can also enable Send Last Location. With this option turned on, your iPhone automatically sends its last known location to Apple before the battery runs out, making it easier to find if it's lost. Once these options are enabled, your iPhone will be better protected and easier to locate using the Find My app on another Apple device or through iCloud. That's it. Now you know how to enable Find My Network on your iPhone 14. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.